Vintage Raleigh bicycle pre-restoration assessment. If any of you know the model or age of it, let me know. You get some interesting details like this thing stopping you from overturning the steering wheel, and this for a pump. And I got the original British racing green paint, made in England. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, here it stands. I covered the hole with a bit of a rubber hose so water doesn't get into it. I'm not sure if this is original. This seems to be not original. There was a sticker of some sorts. It got a retrofitted 3-speed back wheel. Doesn't have a lubrication knob, so it must be a newer one. It is working. Rust-wise, it does only have surface rust on the frame. Pedals are quite worn here. It has been used a lot. It does have lubrication points here. Retrofitted kickstand. Front wheel is also not original. Interesting dynamo. It does have the chrome front fork. Light, also not original. SP Japan handle. This is not original. This might be. Don't know. Brakes are sticky but work. But as you press here, you see a hole. So it had a push down brake at one point, so this is not original. Chain guard is missing, but the fenders are original. Luggage rack is original, as it seems. This is a good one. This will carry some weight. Saddle is missing. Tires are okay but flat. Here we have a little crack. That's easy welded. Yeah. I like this detail here for the pump, so it doesn't fall out. Yeah, if you know anything about the about the model, let me know. I think I have an original light somewhere. But the badge is still here, it's in great shape.